Hey everybody, Jim here with Totally Relaxed. I wanted to show y'all something my neighbor just brought me and gave to me because he doesn't use it and never has used it. In fact, one of our former tenants lived here for a couple years. She moved about a year ago and she gave this to him, and since he don't use it, he gave it to me because he knows I cut my own hair. But anyway, it's called Esquire Grooming the Brush Dryer. And there it is right there, and I've already tried it out. It works good. It's like a blow dryer within a brush. It's pretty cool. So let me open this thing up and I'll show it to you. And I've already measured the cord. I like to freak out when I saw the cord on this thing. I mean, it's like, I measured it. It's 13 feet long. This cord is 13 feet long. Let me get some of this box stuff out of the way. The box is pretty impressive too. The end flap, it doesn't close like a normal box. It's got a magnet in it. Isn't that cool? But anyway, this is it. And there's not a whole lot to it. It just holds in your hand. It fits comfortably in my hand and everything. And it's got 3 speeds on it. But I don't know what that button on the front is. I got to check that out. But anyway, here's the back of it. It's got the controls on it and everything. It's got high, low, and off. And when it's on, it's got the well, let me plug it in here right quick. Yeah, I don't know what a blow dryer sound like, but let's see. Well, oh, let's see. It's not working. Oh, there we go. That's on high, and that's on low, and of course that's off. When it's on, this light shows up right there. I mean, it's pretty cool. I mean, let me figure out what this other thing here is. Let me put on low, see what this other button is. I don't know what that button on the front is. I have to read the manual, I guess, and find out, but anyway, I thought it was pretty nice. Todd, my neighbor, he's the guy that y'all saw in a video prior. Hint, hint. That I go to the gun range with, and that's where we shoot our guns, our handguns at. And you haven't seen that video, hint, hint. Go to my channel and check it out. But anyway, I just thought I'd show this to y'all. I mean, I think it's pretty cool. I got a blow dryer that I've been using for several years that, when you turn it on high, which is what I usually use when I get out of the shower, that blow dryer blow the balls off of a pool table. So this will work pretty good because it does 2 things at one time. I don't have to have both hands with my brush in one hand and the blow dryer in the other. I just use this all in one deal. It's pretty cool. Like I said, it's Esquire Grooming, and I'm sure you can get it on I hope I'm getting it in frame. I'm sure you can get it on Amazon. But anyway, I'll show you what a good job it did on my hair. So hang on a second. Let me get a picture of me, which I don't do very often, as you know. There, that's all you're gonna see. Anyway, hope y'all have a great day. Hope everything's going well for y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye now.